नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is ammonium carb medicine part 1. Carbonate of ammonia. The disease condition met by this remedy are such as we find often in rather stout women who are always tired and weary, take cold easily, suffer from cholera-like symptoms before menses, lead a sedentary life, have a slow reaction generally, and are disposed to frequent use of the smelling bottle, to frequent and profuse menses, mucous membrane of the respiratory organs are specially affected, fat patient with weak heart, wheezing, feel suffocated, very sensitive to cold air, great aversion to water, cannot bear to touch it, malignant scarlatina with somnolence, swollen glands, dark and sore throat, faintly developed eruptions, uremia, heaviness in all organs, uncleanness in bodily habits, swelling of parts, glands, etc., acid secretions, prostration from trifles, mind symptom, forgetful, ill-humored, gloomy during stormy weather, uncleanliness, talking and hearing other talks affect greatly, sad, weepy, unreasonable, head symptom, pulsating forehead, better pressure and in warm room, shocks through head, eyes, burning of eyes with aversion to light, eye strain, astopnia, sore canthi, ear symptom, hardness of hearing, shocks through ears, eyes and nose when gnashing teeth, nose symptom, discharge of sharp burning water, stoppage at night with long continued coryza, cannot breathe through nose, snuffles of children, epistaxis after washing and after eating, uzina, bloody mucus from nose, tip of nose congested, face, tatters around mouth, boils and pustules during menses, corner of mouth sore, cracked and burned, mouth symptom, great dryness of mouth and throat, toothache, pressing teeth together, sand shock through head, eyes and ears, vesicles on tongue, taste sore, metallic, cracking of jaw and chewing, throat symptom, enlarged tonsil and glands of neck, burning pain all down throat, tendency to gangrenous ulceration of tonsil, diphtheria when nose is stopped up, stomach pain at pit of stomach with heartburn, nausea, water brush and chilliness, great appetite but easily satisfied, flatulent dyspepsia, abdomen noise and pain in abdomen, flatulent hernia, stool difficult, hard and knotty, bleeding piles, worse during menses, itching at anus, protruding piles, worse after stool, better lying down, modalities, worse evening from cold, wet weather, wet application, washing and during 3 to 4 a.m. during menses, better by lying on painful side and on stomach in dry weather. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.